In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up alerts on Webull. So open up the Webull app, go to the bottom menu, select over here where it says menu. Then please scroll down just a little bit until you see this section that says shortcuts. In this menu, once you're here in this shortcut section, you're going to see this option that says My Alerts, and you want to go ahead and press on it. From here, you're able to go ahead and select on what type of contract or what type of investment you want to add an alert to. So you can add an alert to stocks, options, futures, and crypto. So let's go ahead and work with stock and press on Add Alert. Then from here, you want to go ahead and look for the actual asset that you want to work with. So let's say we're working with the VOO, and then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and set the prices above, below, moving up, moving down, etc., and schedule the price alert from here. Now, I want to be as transparent as possible. This video is not financial information, so be careful with what you input and make sure that everything you do aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. But you're able to go ahead and configure everything from here, and then press on save in order to actually save your alert. And then from there, you will get alerts based on the parameters that you inputted. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.